My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar, an author. It is very good news today that the Emmanuel Macron has suspended the procession or the an event of the Muslims in France because Emmanuel Macron knew that the Islam is a perfect Gunism. Islam is nothing else. Sorry for interruption. Islam is nothing else rather a certified hooliganism or the Gunism against the civil society. So so Emmanuel Macron, the president of the France, has been withheld the event or the meeting of the Muslim ulemas or the Islamic teachers, which was decided by the Muslim Islamic so-called scholars, though they are the goons. Because Islam is a perfect hooliganism, so all the masjid, mosque, and all the Islamic study centers, that is the madrasa, are the epic center of the terrorism. And the Islam is the synonymous of the terrorism. No need to say that Islamic terrorism, because if you supposed to say that the Islamic ideology means the synonymous of the terrorism. You see, in France, a teacher was beheaded or the chopped by the knife by a Chechen Islamic goon who was took asylum in the France, but he killed a French teacher, Patty Samuel. And I have written a book in this context that the France is the epic center of the Islamic Gunism. You must know, this is the venomous fangs of cobra. You must know that the percentage of the Muslims in France 9%, at least 9%. But these 9% are creating nuisance in this Iran, in this country that is the France. As all the people who are stating or the barking that the Muslims are good. This is very wrong aspect. No Muslim is good if he is following the path of the Islam. He is perfect goon because Islam is a goonism against the civil society and the harmony. All the intijama or the meetings of the Muslims or the procession of the Muslims must be banned throughout the world. Even though it is very amazing that the judiciary of the India, Constitution of India, recognize Islam is as a cult or as a religion. Religion means the relevancy towards the humanity. But the Islam has no relevancy toward the humanity and the harmony between the Muslims and the non-Muslims. So Islam is not a religion, it's a perfect hooliganism against the civil society, and Islam created nuisance throughout the world. My dear friend, every country should ban the Islamic procession, Islamic activities throughout the world. And those people who are barking just like a swine, the true Muslims against the non-Muslim society of the world, we must teach them a lesson. As many goons are, India is available at any time, 24 down the clock. Somebody lives in Hyderabad, somebody lives in, whereas the Islamic true follower, that is the Islamic Muslim, are living these localities or ghettos are being converted in a hell by these Muslims, which are the true Muslims. I remind you later that further that every true Muslim is a goon or the criminal, because the Islamic ideology is a criminology, certified criminology. This is why every procession, every meeting of the Islamic people headed by the Islamic teachers or the ulema or the Maulana are the perfect epic center of the criminology, terrorism, terrorist activities, because all the Islamic scholars are the teacher of the terrorism. They are teaching to the Muslims in madrasa only the terrorism. We cannot differentiate terrorism and Islam separately, because both are same. This is, both are the same or the synonymous. Those people are says that this is good Muslim, that is bad Muslim, that is good Islam, that is bad Islam, is totally bunches of the jokers or bunches of the stupids, because they never read the Islamic jurisprudence. As in India, the lot of the stupids are roaming here and there inside the India. At the one stupid, Dr. Rampuniani, he does not know single ABCD of Islam, but always is praising the Islamic values. Same Avadoja was also praising the Islamic values, and Chandrasekhar Raman are praising the Islamic values, because they are the laymen. They do not know even single ABCD. So both the politician, the people which are non-Muslims, are, if they are praising the Islam, either they are innocent or either they are cunning. If they are innocent, then they must read the Quran and Islamic fiqh. Fiqh means Islamic jurisprudence, Islamic law, the activity of Muhammad, so-called Prophet Muhammad. How was he was infamous for robbery of the Jewish business caravans. He also many times he robbed or looted the business caravans of his cousin Abu Sufyan, and he was the certified robber. So then who are praising the Islam, or they are praising this robbery of the Muhammad, killing of the non-Muslim of the Muhammad, rape with the non-Muslim woman by the Muhammad and his companions, as he and his companion committed such heinous crime in shape of the rape, molestation of the woman, keep the sex slave, and pushed them into the prostitution. So Islam is the epicenter of the prostitution under the cover of the wheeling of the cult or the religion. But Islam is not a religion. This is a pre-thought conspiracy against the Jews at that time, and after the death of Muhammad, this is pre-thought conspiracy against the all non-Muslim of the world, because so many verses of Quran is stating such type of the treacherousness and the vultureness in the name of this religion, rather the unholy ideology of the Islam. Thank you very much. French President Emmanuel Macron done a lot of work. He banned the meeting of the Islamic assemblies, Islamic gathering, and this is the big step in favor of the humanity to ban all the Islamic meetings or gatherings throughout the France. This meeting and gathering of the Muslims must be banned in India also, because Islam is nothing else but it is a hooliganism or the Gunism against the non-Muslims, especially in Hindus, against the Hindus. So this is my short video. We must fight against the Islamic terrorism. In each state, in the ghettos, by the wisdom, if they repeal with the arm and weaponry, then our right, fundamental right to save our lives, that the lives of the non-Muslims. So we must unite it against the Islamic terrorism, because this is the demand of this time, and this is the first choice of every non-Muslim, to fight against the Islamic terrorism and kill the Islamic goons as and whenever, as per admissibility, you find them. Because in Quran, that is a verse of the chapter 9, verse 5, kill the non-Muslim everywhere, where you find them. So this is our reply: kill the Islamic terrorist or the Muslim who are the true Muslim, as and when you find, to save our lives, to save the molestation of our non-Muslim women, even save the molestation of the Muslim women, because these Islamic preachers or Islamic teachers are the certified criminals, because they are teaching the lesson of this Quran, and the lesson of this Quran is certified criminal activity at all. Thank you very much.